This is the sub-assembly sections where the small components are repaired by the mechanics. There is so many parts is available of the locomotive engine, or like two-stroke, four-stroke engines. So we are going to see this is the cooling fan, and which is used in the upstairs of the engine, at the in front of the engine, which is directly connected to the radiator, which gives the cool air, which makes the cool air, and which makes the cools the cools water which is coming from the engine liners. And this is the one of the most every engines to every engines to the cooling fan is used. And so many parts is there. This is the fuel injection systems. This is the fuel injection systems on the engine. And that from here, this is the inlet. We will keep here. It will the rocker arm will be here, and the rocker arm will manage it by the camshaft, and camshaft will work as the rotation of the crankshaft. And according to the timing, the fuel injection occur by this hole. And this is the important thing. What is this? One of this. And 7 parts is available. This also are the parts, and this is there. This is directly connected to that. Uh, no, this is not a camshaft.
No, camshaft will rotate on this.
No, maybe it will be used in the camshaft, but we are not sure. We are still learning the things. So many springs which is used in this is the fuel injection systems. These are all used in the internal combustion engines. So many parts is available here. So many parts, and so many parts is available here. You see here. And this is the parts. This is the all are used in the internal combustion engine. Yeah, this is the for fuel injection system. They are using in the upstairs in the with the rocker arm, right? Yeah, this is used in the rocker arm. Okay. What is this? Spring test stand, which is aluminum and outer spring testing stand. I think this is for testing purpose of that internal engine parts. We don't know exactly what is the use of that one. And this is used as the upstairs of the fuel injection system, I think, but I'm not sure. This is most of the parts are available here. Yeah, here is this is while we are rotating in. This is the in two-stroke engine. While we are doing like that, by the use of the shaft, it will rotate and it will use and the timing as a timing fuel injection. Let's come here, guys. And so many parts is available here. This is actually I mean the bulb and bulb lever and support overhauling sections. Now I'm going electrical control maintenance sections, but their electrical control maintenance sections is not that much useful for mechanical engineer. But even though whatever I know, I will explain to you later. So many. This is the for all the electrical purpose. We are using electrical circuits for the sensing devices also here. So many sensing fuel injection system, and hot water, cold water, and all the temperature sensors. Different kinds of sensors are pneumatic sensor, linear, LVDT, RVDT. Different kinds of sections is used. This is the electrical and control maintenance sections. This is all the machine. This is all used in electrical sections. I cannot explain you because I don't know about that working mechanism. So we are here because this is all our mechanical parts. This is the lift. This is used as a lift here. This thing. Here some motors are there. actually ready unit, because for this is actually used to rotate some particular section. I mean, for yes, cooler. This cooler may be used for to rotate this particular section according to the convenience, according to the requirements of cooling. It rotates that. So many things are there available. I am gonna show you that this is the turbocharger assembly of turbocharger. This is the turbocharger assembly, and here this is here. From here the exhaust gases will come where there will be the turbine. It will rotate, it will filter that air, and from here this is the compressor will compress the air. And from here, this is the part. From here the air will go outside. This is the cooling system. The water will go there inside. The water will go out.